Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can sell product by just taking pictures on eBay. So if you got something to sell but don't want to spend time writing a long listing, in today's video, I'll show you how you can sell anything on eBay by just taking a simple picture. So let's get started. Open up your eBay application in a mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you open it up, simply sign in to your account. So once you sign into your account, you'll then be able to find an option that says selling at the bottom right corner. Tap onto it, and here you'll see how it works. You can go ahead and simply snap a picture of your item from your mobile device to share it with your million of buyers, and eBay will walk you through how to describe it, price it, and ship it. And once your item is sold, you'll get paid and then ship it. So as you can see here, you'll then be able to find that to create a listing, you'll be needing to visit their website. Head back to your home screen, open up your browser, and then search for ebay.com. Once you search for it, tap onto it, log in to your account, and from here you want to go ahead and simply tap on selling. Go ahead and tap on list an item, and then tap onto it again. Just like that, tell eBay what you're selling. Here you will then be able to find the instruction to do so. And once you've done that, this is the page where you will be uploading your photos, and eBay AI will automatically suggest the title, category, and even the price based on similar listing. You can edit anything you like or just approve what it gives you. You can choose whether to sell as a buy it now or auction. Then select your shipping option. eBay can even generate a prepaid shipping label for you. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on list it, and then you're done. Your item is now live and searchable by millions of buyers worldwide. It's that easy. Snap a pic, upload, and sell. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.